Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for your well-being: recovering your pancreas health. Whether you've been dealing with pancreatitis or simply want to boost your pancreatic function, incorporating the right foods into your diet can make a world of difference. So, let's jump right in and explore the top 10 foods that can help rejuvenate your pancreas and support overall health. Turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation in the pancreas, aiding in the healing process. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, blueberries are excellent for pancreatic health. They can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce oxidative stress, promoting optimal pancreatic function. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are rich in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, as well as folate and iron. These nutrients support overall health and can aid in pancreas recovery. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating salmon into your diet can help reduce inflammation in the pancreas and support its healing. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with antioxidants and fiber, making it a great choice for pancreas health. It also contains sulforaphane, a compound that may help protect against pancreatic cancer. Sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and fiber, sweet potatoes are a nutritious choice for supporting pancreas health. They have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Greek yogurt. Probiotics found in Greek yogurt can help promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is important for pancreatic health. Opt for low-fat or non-fat varieties to keep saturated fat intake in check. Olive oil. Healthy fats found in olive oil, such as monounsaturated fats, have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved pancreatic function. Use olive oil in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Garlic. This flavorful bulb not only adds a punch to your dishes but also offers numerous health benefits. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that may help protect the pancreas and reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer. Green tea. Swap out your regular cup of coffee for green tea to reap the benefits for your pancreas. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have anti-inflammatory and protective effects on the pancreas. Incorporating these 10 powerhouse foods into your diet can go a long way in supporting your pancreas health and promoting overall well-being. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you prepare your meals. Aim for a balanced diet, and don't forget to stay hydrated and active. As always, I'm not a doctor, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Until next time, stay healthy and stay tuned.